Hello everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen Veda. I'm a beauty and fashion influencer and also a self-taught makeup artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do smoky eyeshadow along with the face makeup. As you can see, I have done black smoky eyeshadow today, which is one of the easiest eyeshadow technique as possible. So let's get started. This is the beautiful retro style puff shoulder top that I'm going to wear today. If you're going to wear a high neck top, then make sure to wear the top before starting the makeup. If you wear a high neck top after doing the makeup, then your makeup is going to be all messed up. As you have noticed, I haven't done my face makeup yet because when I'm doing this black smoky eyeshadow, there are gonna be a lot of droppings on my cheek and it will be really impossible to remove them if I have done the face makeup before. So make sure to do your face makeup after doing the upper part of the eye makeup. And as I have mentioned before, I do my eyebrows with eyeshadow. This is the palette which I'm going to use to do my eyebrows. First, I have taken this light brown shade and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take this black shade to define the eyeshadow a bit. Now I'm going to define my eyebrows using a concealer, and I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer for that. Now I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. The palettes which I'm going to use are Makeup Revolution and Maybelline New York Rock Nudes. First, I have taken this nude shade and I'm applying it near my eyebrows. Now I have taken a fluffy brush and applying this shade of color which is called Universal just a little above my eyelids. Now I have taken this dark brown shade and applying it just below this brown color. This is going to be our transition color, which will help us blend with the black eyeshadow which I'm next going to apply. Now I'm going to blend these colors a bit, and for that I have taken this coffee brown color and also taking this fluffy brush for blending purpose. Now I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow, and since I want my black eyeshadow to be super black, for that I am using a gel eyeliner, and this one is Maybelline New York Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. If you're not confident about applying gel eyeliner directly, then you can also apply a black powdered eyeshadow instead. Now it's time to blend this gel eyeliner with rest of the eyeshadow, and for that I have taken this black color from Maybelline New York Rock Notes palette. Now I have taken this dark brown color, which is called Retrograde, from the palette of Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to apply it on my eyes, and I'm going to use it for blending this black eyeshadow with the rest of the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to blend this all evenly with a fluffy brush. Now there are a lot of black eyeshadows on my cheek, which I need to remove immediately before applying foundation. So I have taken a makeup remover. This is Garnier Micellar Cleaning Water. I'm going to remove the droppings on the bottom of my eyes. If you cannot see with your bare eyes, then here it is. That much droppings was there. Now I'm going to start my face makeup, and before that I'm going to apply some moisturizer. Today I'm applying a gel based moisturizer, which is Bella Vita Organic Rose Glow Face Gel. I personally prefer this gel based moisturizer. It's because it is very light and it is perfect for humid weather like ours.
When you go to work, when you go to church,
now I'm applying my foundation, which is MAC Studio Fix Liquid SPF 15. I'm applying this with a beauty blending brush. Now I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer to conceal my face. And for contouring today, I am using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Contour. This is a brand new product for me. Let's see how it is. I'm going to take the help of a mirror. Now I'm going to blend this all using a beauty blender. Now I'm going to finish rest of my eye makeup, and for bottom of my eyes I have taken this Nika Eye Smoky Kajal, which is really dark and it will really go with the look.
What it is. The Matrix is everywhere.
First, I'm going to apply this kajal and make sure the waterline is all filled up. The backside of this kajal has a smudger by which I will smudge the kajal and give this smoky effect.
Feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner and I have taken Lakme Absolute Liquid Shine Eyeliner. I'm applying the bronzer now, and it is Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer. I'm applying the blusher now, which is from Lakme, and the color is Coral Blush. Now I'm applying the highlighter, which is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and the color is Blossom Glow. I have taken a bigger brush and blending this all now. I'm going to apply mascara now, and before that I am curling my lashes.
What it is.
Applying Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, which is very common. I'm applying my eyelashes now, which is magnetic eyeliner with magnetic eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick. There will be nothing special about this lipstick application technique today, so I'm not showing in details.
It is.
My makeup is done, and now it's time to show you the final look. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm also on Instagram, and my IDs are VedaChat and The Real Queen V. Bye guys, see you next time.